Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vanilla bean. We will begin by selecting the finest beans, ensuring you get the richest flavor. Then, I will guide you through the precise method of preparing the bean, from splitting to scraping out those precious seeds. Finally, we will explore effective ways to infuse this incredible aroma and taste into your favorite culinary creations, making every dish truly special and aromatic. Once you have your premium vanilla bean, the next step is preparation. Take a sharp paring knife and carefully slice the bean lengthwise from one end to the other, but not all the way through. Then, using the dull side of your knife, gently scrape along the inside of each half to extract all the tiny, flavorful seeds. These seeds are the heart of the vanilla's rich essence. Now that your vanilla bean is prepared, it is time to infuse its wonderful flavor. Add both the scraped seeds and the split pod directly into your liquid base, such as milk, cream, or even a simple syrup. Gently heat this mixture over low to medium heat, allowing the vanilla's complex notes to slowly release and meld. Let it steep for at least 30 minutes to achieve a deep, aromatic infusion. To maximize your vanilla bean's potential, do not throw away the scraped pod. You can rinse it, dry it, and then bury it in a jar of granulated sugar to create your own fragrant vanilla sugar, perfect for baking. For storing fresh, unused vanilla beans, place them in an airtight container in a cool, dark pantry. This method will keep them fresh and pliable for up to 6 months, ready for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.